All right, so now we're running into we're we're kind of running into problems, and what I'm trying to do here, and I got this error, is that I now have my add machine route built out here, and we can select like the location, right? But then I got this error when I tried to update it because it wasn't pulling out the location ID properly. Because it cannot add in location ID as null. So I put that into ChatGPT, and it suggested the wrong thing. I put the error in there. It says the error message indicates the location ID column in the machines table is not set to allow the null value. Yada yada yada. Makes sense, right? And it says, well, let location ID be null. That's not the right way to fix the problem. See, ChatGPT will give you a solution, but it won't always give you the right solution. So I said, maybe, what if we select the location from the drop down we just added? What if when we select it's added some variable that we can use to update the database, right? Which I'm assuming is the ID, right? Location ID contains location ID value selected. There you go. So let's update our route here for app.post add machine in app.js, which is this whole bad boy. Sure. Boom, boom, boom. Let's restart our server. Here, obviously, I do this whole freaking rigmarole. We have to add in the password. We've got to select our location. Hold on. I just don't want the autocomplete stuff to show you, sweet machine, number 1, front, lobby, 400, 3,500, 1,000. All right, I'll show you the values I've added in here. I just wish I could I need to just turn off autocomplete. Anywho, let's hope that this works. So it added it, but what the heck, man? It's not showing in my dashboard. Odd. Is my dashboard throwing an error? It's not. Did it actually get added is the question. It did, right? There it is. User ID didn't get loaded in there. See how that's null? Okay. So now we have to update 2 more things. We've got to go back here. Go back here. What about user ID? Can we add handling for that? It needs to be associated with the user. Okay, and then we have a hidden input value. Interesting. That's one way to do it. So let's update the app.js route, which is .get add machine. Okay, now we have to add this input type in the handlebars template, which is add machine. I think we can just put that here, right? I think so. Just drop her right there. And then app.post needs to get modified. We'll try that. App.post. We'll give that a shot. Clean it up a little bit. And we're going to rerun all this. You know what? It's like, gosh, Why don't we just freaking... Is it possible to just go there? Can we just do that? Alright, hold on, let me make sure. Oh yeah, I think we're good. Yeah, all the alright. We have that. We can add our machine. Can do front lobby, hospital, Johns Hopkins machine. Front lobby. Or no, not Johns Hopkins. We'll do St. John's. 400, 3,500, 1,000. No, it doesn't work. What was here? Incorrect integer value. This new app.post it's giving me. We'll restart our server. And machine. Another freaking error. Oh, I messed up. Did I mess up? Does this? No, there's a mistake. Thank you very much. Thank goodness. All right. Great. Let's restart our server. Let's add the machine. Front lobby, St. John's. Front lobby. 400, 3,500, 1,000. Okay! Look at that. It added the machine. And it added the machine. We can now, we have a salvage value, we have a purchase price, we have capacity, we have the address, we have the frickin' location, we have the name of the machine. The locations are all added through here. This is fantastic. This app is totally working. I'm so happy. And it's really like a beautiful thing, man. You know, as far as, let me just kind of go off on you guys here. As far as like prototyping goes, if you're just building something, right, and you want to build it as fast as possible, it almost takes like you can just code and build this stuff so quickly now that you can rapidly bring these ideas to market. And it's like, yeah, I get it. Look, it's white background, gray background, the freaking dash. I'm showing you here. The dashboard, like none of these nav bars look good. It's a simple table, but it's the whole idea. We're thinking through the idea. We're understanding. We're building out the tables. This is something that we could probably give to an app developer for iOS and say, I have a full web framework already. Let's turn it into an app. Let's turn it into this XYZ. All of the it's so easy to build all the usage cases is what I'm saying, that we can then kind of see how it works and just think through the whole process. It's almost easier than writing it out on paper. It's literally it's an interesting thought that it has now become almost as easy to just build the app and fast and agile to just build it than it is to write it out and think about it. It's a strange thought. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next episode.